Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Glinda from the Wicked Part 2 movie. So this is like, I guess, from like a leaked picture, but we already know what her blue dress is gonna look like. So this is my recreation. If yours look better, I'm sorry, but we're going to remove everything so you guys can see what I wore. So for the hair, I just use this one in this color here, D29E66. You don't have to be exactly the same. You don't have to use the same color. I'm also going to use this one, select the back and just turn off everything, and we're going to color it the same. And I'm just going to scale it a little bit, and I'm just going to move it up and back. Just for like more volume at like the back of her hair. For the fit, we are going to use the petal dress because it kind of has that like same shape. Queen of Flowers and turn off silver top. You can add particles to make it more magical. I am just going to leave the dress how it is, like the color, and then I'm going to add in this purple. Then I'm going to use this for more swirls. I'm going to do the same like color here, but I'm going to change the texture to silk instead. Then for the other swirl, I'm going to add blue to it because there is some blue to the dress. I want it to be like a lighter blue though, like that. And then for the bag, I'll just do the same color like that. Then for the sleeves, I am going to use the Supernova one. I know there's like two, but this is like the closest that I can do, I guess. Third toggle, and then the first one, I'm going to do like a darker blue, and then maybe this color. Yeah, this one. And then I also use the Elsa sleeves because her sleeves are see-through. In the second one, why can't I find it? Oh, here it is. It's like white and gray and like silver. I think I'm just going to leave it like this actually with that. And to add more texture, I'm just going to use this in white. Then I'm also going to use the wand, white, and toggle off X, and then pink in the middle. You can use the pom-poms as well, but I'm just going to leave it like this. For the crown, I did use one in VIP, but you can use any crown that you want. I used two because her crown is pretty tall. I'm just going to color these colors, and I'm going to add this on in the same color. And for this one, I'm just going to kind of adjust it a little. Whoops. Scale it down a little bit. And that is it. That is how you can recreate Glinda. You cannot choose. You can't really see the feet here anyways. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.